Morrisons supermarket started over 100 years ago. Started on a stall in Bradford, selling eggs and butter.
We are the fifth largest food retailer in the UK with 500 supermarkets and 1,500 convenience stores. We've got across the country just under 100,000 colleagues. Before we moved to Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM, we were using a legacy people system. It was end of life. It was very difficult for us to support. For a lot of the majority of colleagues in the business, they weren't actually able to interact and use the system. So they had to be in a Morrisons store on a Morrisons computer to access the system. So if colleagues aren't able to use systems in a quick and efficient way, or if processes are manual or paper-based, anything that we could do to speed up those processes and simplify them and focus their time on the customer would be a benefit for us. When we looked in the marketplace and looked at Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM, having all of our data in one system and all of those parts of the systems talking to each other, that product was going to give us the innovation, the improvement in colleague experience that we were looking for from a modern cloud-based people system. So we use Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM for core HR, so our master system of record, payroll, and HR help desk. So that's for all of our colleagues to manage their records, their address, their personal details, their bank details. It's the system that's paying them.
We're offering more to our colleagues in terms of how they can self-serve, how they can help themselves, how they can raise cases, how they can interact with us.
The ability for colleagues to use a system on a device anywhere at the time of their choosing is really taken away some of the distractions that would have stopped our colleagues serving customers. Historically, if you take the payslip as an example, a colleague might have been printing off a payslip and having to sign onto a computer to do that. Now the colleague can see that payslip digitally.
Everyone knows what to expect before it actually happens, which is great for our help desk team, because ultimately it gets rid of a number of queries before they even need to come in. But from a pure technology perspective, I also think it's about having that one ecosystem as well. It just makes things so much easier for us to support and develop on. Being in a world of cloud where you're getting 4 updates every year, you're getting all of this new functionality, choosing whether we turn on certain features, whether we don't turn on those features, and all of a sudden it's this whole industry of stuff that we've not done for a number of years. It gives us so much more, but there's a new way of working.